Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can use a cork stopper from a wine bottle to repair your coffee machine. So first of all, let's address the defect that we will address today. And this is actually called air lock. So in case you have a problem with your Nespresso coffee machine not dispensing any water even though you hear the internal pump working, this is due to an air lock. Air lock means that inside of the pump there is an amount of air and this pump cannot move water from the water tank to the heater element and then into your coffee. And here is where the magic happens with this cork stopper. And this is a really handy tool, let's call it like that, in order to resolve this problem. So actually what you need to do is use, instead of a normal pod, just use a cork stopper and just insert it gently inside of your unit, like so. Let me show you. Hopefully you can see it. It's inside there. And then close it, making sure it's completely flat inside. If you sense a little bit of resistance, this is normal because the length of the cork stopper is longer than an actual pod, but this is not a problem because the cork is out of cork and it will compress. But gently close it, otherwise you will bend the knives inside of the brewing head. After this is done, then just do a couple of cycles of long coffee until the water will go into the cup. What actually happens here, or why this cork stopper is beneficial, is because it will leave a gap between this area over here where let me show you exactly here. So you see the cylinder. This is used in order for the cup to enter perfectly there. But this pod will completely fill that cylinder. The cork will just push a little bit the spring inside the cylinder and it will leave space, a lot of space for water to flow around the cork and eventually prime or force start the pump. After the procedure is done, just remove the cork out of the unit. Inspect it over here to make sure it was pierced by the knives. Also take a look inside to see if the knives are completely unflattened, and then the job is done. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if you have any questions related to electronics repair or coffee machines, just put them in the comment section below. If you want to buy any of the tools that I'm using in my videos, make sure you click on the first comment, the pinned comment, where I have a storefront, affiliated storefront from Amazon, and it will, if you buy something from there, you will support the channel. Also, if you want one-on-one session for repairing your machines, I also support with that. Just contact me on my email in the bio and we can do that as well. Thank you very much again and see you in the next one. Bye bye.